Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can set up a screen lock for your Thinkphone by Motorola. For that you want to go to your settings and then go to security and privacy and go to device lock and then say screen lock, and here you can choose between a swipe, pattern, pin or password. We'll go with a pin with a pattern. Be aware that if you draw the pattern on your screen the whole time, you might be able to see that pattern if you turn your phone against the light, but of course you can choose whatever you like best. I'm going to choose the pin now and then set a pin, re-enter that. Alright, and then we can say how we want our lock screen to display. Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. We can say done when we made our settings here, and then we can lock our phone and unlock it, and then we need to put in our pin. And now we're back in the phone. So that's how you can set up a screen lock on your Thinkphone by Motorola. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.